There's Megan Hart at work. Me Mom doing her thing. There's Antisha.
Hi, how are you?
Hi. And there's my thing. Shop for vintage clothing.
Yeah, I was looking at the Chanel's and the GTOs.
Where's Cozy Kitchen?
And here we are, there's Tara's kitchen. Come get your sweetie on.
They drew over it. I know, it's just
And this is Bear Soaps. And of course, paparazzi in the house.
But
And we got
here's some
Ellie Craft Collections. Awesome stuff.
online based.
And here's little
there's some
dream
people at
weavers.
at the back. So
Lovely
just check it
baby
out.
things.
Hi.
And here we are. Crafting on Carlisle. Aren't these adorable? Look at this. If I had a little girl, I would get one. Let's see. Make and take kids. Board and base. Oh, I like this.
Perfect for summer crafting.
Oh, this is great. Get your crafts on. And now we're going to move on over. Oh, these are these nails, these color streets. Oh, these are awesome. Come check us out. And these are these handmade sacks. Aren't they awesome? Yes, so many vendors. So much talent in one building. See what's over here. Hi. Oh, look at this. Oh, come out and get this. Disney all the way. Hi.
Hi.
Look at all this cool stuff. Unbelievable. You gotta come check us out. 22 North Center Street. That's in Merchantville, right behind the car show. We also have our giving corner. So if you need anything, come out. You can get it for free, or if you want to donate a little something off for the neighborhood, that's awesome too. You can bring your kids in for free crafts. Say hi, kids. We're crafting.
And then they take kids that swim,
We can, and also you can find all your performance wear for swimming.
and then they teach beginner swimmers. I tried.
Mosey on down. And here's the Scentsy. Look at all the cool stuff she has. You can build your own Scentsy Smelly. Isn't that awesome? Toy Story. She has all the stuff in the house. You can go with your traditional Scentsy products also. Wonderful local crafters and vendors. Walking through the building.
Do you live locally? Oh, okay. I was gonna say there's a farm market here that we do every Saturday.
Here we are, walking through. Here's my girl.